Welcome back to another video. Today I've got the X-MAXX on the bench and I'm going to be installing some upgrades. The parts that I've got these RPM hubs. This is an older X-MAXX, so this one has inner hub bearings which can be prone to fail. So to address that, I've got these RPM ones. These use a larger inner bearing and the hubs themselves are also going to be more durable. Next up, I've got these pins from ADU Racing. These are the outer pins for the arms. These use a nut rather than the stock system. This way they'll be captured and that will be a stronger setup. And lastly, I've got these sleeves for the differential outdrive cups. As the name suggests, these sleeve over the differential cups and help prevent you breaking those cups. They're held in place with a grub screw. The drive cups that I'm using, these are just some generic ones that I found on AliExpress. I will put a link to all of these items in the description. First of all, let's remove that front wheel. Perfect. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. I'm going to disconnect the steering arm from the hub, this screw here, to 2.5mm hex. Next, I'm going to remove the two screws, one at the top here and one at the bottom here. These are 2mm hex. With the screws and covers removed, we then need to remove the pins top and bottom. You can do that using a set of pliers. With both pins removed, you can now remove the hub assembly, like so. Next up, we want to remove the drive shaft from the hub. To do this, we need to remove this clip. Use a flat bladed screwdriver to lever the clip out. No! That's now lost forever.
A few moments later.
Found it. So with the clip removed, we can now remove the wheel hex. Use a flat-headed screwdriver or a prying tool and this will come off. Like so. With the hex removed, you can now remove the drive shaft. So I'm going to install the outer bearing into the RPM hub and the new inner bearing. Okay, so I've got the bearings fitted into the hub. Notice the difference between the old inner bearing and the new larger bearing. This is now ready to be reinstalled back on the car, but because of the other upgrades that we're doing, it's now a good time to fit the pins and the differential cup sleeves. So we're going to be replacing the outer arm pins, this one here and this one here. First of all, we need to remove the screws here and here. With the two screws removed, we can now push out the pins from this side. I'm using a small hex bit. Just push the pins out from this side like so. Next up, using the supplied drill bit, we're going to drill out the arms all the way through. This side is where it needs drilling. So you're going to drill from this side all the way through, and this will allow your new pins to be fitted. With the arms drilled out, next up we're going to install the pins. Install the pin so that the head of the pin is facing towards the rear wheels. When you install the pin, you might notice that there's some wiggle room. Use the O-ring to take up the slack. With the pins installed, next add your locking nut onto the end of the pins. With the pins now installed in the arms, I'm now going to fit the differential cup sleeve. Tighten up both grub screws, making sure to use thread lock on the grub screws. With the pins and the sleeve fitted, I'm now going to reinstall the drive shaft with the new hub and bearing. Reinstall the pins, top and bottom. Along with the retaining cap and screw. Finally, reinstall the steering arm to the hub using the original screw. That is the front now all complete.